Residents of Patterson gathered for the town hall meeting to address their concerns to the Black Bear panel. The panel stressed the importance of not feeding the bears and recommended the purchase of bear spray cans to scare them off, and to also increase the difficulty of accessing the garbage cans. St. Mary Parish Bear Conflict Officer Catherine Siracusa added that bears will continuously visit garbage cans that are easily opened. Residents walked away from the meeting with a better understanding of how to handle the bears.
My trash cans, I'm going to make sure that they stay secure, that the bears can't get into it, maybe deter them from coming into my yard.
But some left the meeting yearning for a more direct solution to the problem.
We really don't have an answer yet. We've had this problem for over 20 years now, and but it's worse. It's worse. It's a lot worse now. What we're going to do? Keep fighting bears? We can't sit outside. We can't barbecue. We can't do anything.
A small child may be hurt by one of these bears, and God forbid that to happen, because that would be hard to live with. It really would. So, those people across the track want to know what can be done beforehand. Yeah, there's a lot of prevention issues that came up tonight, and they're all good. We're not going to get all those people out there to follow the rules. It just won't happen.
Maria Davidson of the Department of Wildlife and Fisheries explained the black bear dilemma requires a multifaceted solution.
In order for people to accept the responsibility to manage their garbage responsibly, I think that a citizen action group is one of the best ways to get that done. I think everybody needs to step up and say, okay, this is my part, I'm going to do it, and this is my part, and I'm going to do it.
Residents were invited to join the Citizen Action Group to find a solution to the black bear problem. But as Mayor Rodney Grogan and the rest of the panel alluded, the solution won't come easy. Reporting from Patterson, Philip Boudreau, KWBJ News.